Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video mainly we are covering the topic related with how to change backlights in frameless LED TV. Here we have shown the complete details regarding display removal and installations. So watch the entire video without skipping. See friend, here in this TV the complaint is backlight problem. Here the frame is visible only on down side of the panel, so we can remove it by removing the screws. Here we already opened the TV back cover and disconnected all cables from panel scaler board. Now we need to bend and stick the panel scaler board to the display using a tape. This is for easy panel display removal and fixing. See friends, this display is attached with this panel frame using a special kind of double-side tape like other ordinary double-side tape. The difference is center portion of the tape is filled with a sponge material. Now we need to insert a sharp sheet with very low thickness to the panel. So here I am using this blue color sheet. This sheet is taken from the old LVDS. See friends, finally we removed the display. Now let's remove the panel diffuser sheets for backlight strips. See friends, finally after removing panel diffuser sheets, here we reached to the backlight area.
See friends, here we purchased same model backlight from the market, so let's install the new backlight strip and put all diffuser sheets back to TV frame. See friends, here we now fixed the new backlight. Before placing the diffuser sheet we need to remove the excess portion of gum from the display side and display panel frame side also. See friends, now we removing the previous double side tape from the display panel frame like this. We have already removed this double side from the display glass side also. It's an important process in this because without removing the old tape parts, if install new double side tape, then it will not stick properly, so make sure to remove the taping from both glass side of display and panel frame side. See friends, this is the special double side tape used in frameless LED TV, so here we going to install this tape on the edge of the panel frame. Before that let's fix all diffuser sheets back to TV. See friends, now we finally fixed double side tapes in all corners and sides of TV. Next step is display fixing, and it's a crucial step. If peel the protection layer of the double side tape earlier before placing the display, then it will become difficult to place the display because, while display installation, if the display is not aligned properly, then the display will stuck with double side tape. Then we can't align it properly with all corners, so here we opened and peeled a small portion the double side tape outer layer and sticked it to the side portion of the frame, so it's easy to fix the display to the panel frame and align it. So after placing the display we can now remove the outer layer of double side tape slowly. See friends, finally here we fixed the display. Now let's remove the outer layer of the double side tape slowly. See friends, at last now the work is done and panel is fixed to panel frame properly. For additional protection we have provided a cello tape in each sides of the glass panel, from outer side of the body. Finally now let's connect all cables, everything back to the TV. See friends, now all sockets are connected, so let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. So that's it. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.